An engineering student was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its two ends by using a thin aluminum sheet. The diameter of the model is 3 centimeters and its length is 12 centimeters. If each cone has a height of 2 centimeters, find the volume of air contained in the model that she made. So given that a model, what is its shape? Shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its two ends. So the shape is a cylinder with two cones attached on two ends. Now diameter of the model is given. So diameter equal to 3 centimeters. Therefore radius equal to what? 3 by 2 centimeters. Okay, or 1.5 centimeters. Next, the height is given. The total length is given. See, two measures are given. Length is 12 centimeters. Length means from this point to this. Here it is. Total length 12 centimeters. Now here we can say it is the height of the cylinder. And here the height of the cone is given. What's the height of the cone? It is given as 2 centimeters. So this measure 2. Here also 2. Okay. Now radius is given. Radius here you can see that it is 3 by 2 or 1.5. Both the radii here it is given. Now what is our question? Find the volume of air contained in the model. Means total volume of the model. Okay. So here we can say that volume of the cylinder and volume of two cones we need to add. Okay. So we are doing that. And before that, can you say the height of the or the length of the cylinder? Here total length is given 12. Here 2 centimeters, here also 2 centimeters. That we can avoid. Okay. So 12, what we can say? Height of cylinder. Height of cylinder equal to, height we can select it as h1. Height of the cylinder. That is h1 equal to total length 12 minus 2 plus 2. That is 4. 12 minus 4, 8 centimeters. So height of the cylinder it is 8 centimeters. Now height of the cone it is given, that we can select as name as h2. That is 2 centimeters. Now we are going to find the volume of the model. Okay. And volume of the model. Volume of the model, or we can say volume of air. Okay. Equal to volume of cylinder plus what? 2 into volume of cone. Volume of cylinder plus 2 into volume of cone. Now what's the formula for finding volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. So here h1 we can select because height of the cylinder we can select as h1 plus 2 into volume of cone means 1 by 3 pi r square h2. Here the height of the cone we can select as h2. Now we can substitute the values. Pi r square means what is r? It is radius is given as 3 by 2 or 1.5. So 1.5 square into h1 means 8 plus 2 into 1 by 3 pi r square means again both the radii same, no? So 1.5 square into h2 means 2. That is given. Okay. Now we can select the next 1.5 whole square means what? It is 2.25. So pi into it is 2.25 into 8 plus 2 into 2 4. So here what we can say 4 into 1.5 square again, that is 2.25, then by 3 into pi. 2 into 2 4, 1.5 square 2.25 by 3 pi. Now we can simplify again. 8 into 2.25. What is that? It is same as 18 pi plus. Here you can see that 4 into 2.25. What is 4 into 2.25? It is 9 by 3 pi. That is equal to 18 pi plus 9 by 3 means 3. Okay, so we can write 3 pi. 18 pi plus 3 pi means it is 21 pi. That is equal to 21 into 22 by 7. Now we can cancel 7. So what we are getting 7 here? 3. That is 3 into 22, which gives the answer, that is 66 centimeter cube. So what's the volume of the air inside that model? It is 66 centimeter cube. So we are adding the volumes of cylinder and the volumes of two cones. Just using this formula, and we can simplify like this, and you are getting 66 centimeter cube. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length 5 cm and diameter 2.8 centimeters. So the gulab jamun, it is given, the shape is a cylinder with two hemispherical ends. The total length is given as 5 centimeter. Total length is given 5 centimeter and the diameter is given. What is the diameter? Equal to 2.8 centimeters. Therefore, radius equal to half of that. That means 1.4 centimeter. Now, we have to find the height of the cylinder or length of the cylinder part only. So, for that, h we can calculate by total length is given as 5. So, 5 minus here one radius and here also one radius. And what's the radius? 1.4 centimeters. Here also 1.4 centimeters. The radii we can subtract. That is 5 minus 1.4 plus 1.4, it is 2.8. That is equal to 2.2 centimeters. So height is given as 2.2 centimeters. So for the gulab jamun, we need to find the volume. Okay. First we can find the volume of one gulab jamun. After that, 45 gulab jamuns are given here. Okay. Now, volume of the given shape. Volume of one gulab jamun. Okay. So, what is that? That is equal to volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder plus 2 into volume of hemisphere. Okay. Is it clear? So, volume of cylinder plus 2 into volume of hemisphere. That is equal to, what's the formula for finding the volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h. So, pi r square h plus 2 into volume of hemisphere means what? 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. 2 by 3 pi r cube. Understand? Now, that is equal to pi into radius r 1.4. So, 1.4 into 1.4 into what is h? Height is 2.2 plus here 2 into 2, 4, 4 by 3 pi, then r cube means what? 1.4 into 1.4 into again 1.4. Then we can find the answer. Here it is 4.312 pi plus after multiplying 1.4 into 1.4 into 2.2. Then here 4 by 3 into pi into again 1.4, 1.4, 1.4. 3 times we are multiplying. You are getting 3.659 pi. Now what is the sum? It is, that is equal to 7.971 pi. Okay. Now we can substitute the value of pi, that is 7.971 into 22 by 7. That will be same as 25.05. Okay. So we got the volume of one gulab jamun, that is 25.05 centimeter cube. Okay, centimeter cube. Now we need to find the volume of 45. Okay, so volume of 45 gulab jamuns, that is equal to 45 into 25.05. Clear? That is equal to, the answer it is given 1127.25 centimeter cube. So total volume of 45 gulab jamuns, that is 1127.25 centimeter cube. Now what we need? Volume of sugar syrup. Okay, so volume of sugar syrup, that is equal to 30%, that is given in the question, no? So volume into 30%, that is 1127.25 into 30 by 100. Okay, now after cancelling this 1 0 we can cancel, then this number into 3 and 1 decimal point we can change. So our answer is 338.175 centimeter cube. Okay, now approximately what we can write? This 0.175 we can avoid, no? So 338 centimeter cube. This much of sugar syrup will be there in these 45 gulab jamuns. Understand?